Welcome back to the channel, Exp0se. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now the family of Danielle Rowe, and of course condolences to the family of Danielle Rowe. Now they're voicing their disapproval with what they consider as a state takeover of Danielle Rowe's funeral. And this, at on top of what the people already go through, it don't look good. Let me continue what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Banker on at Danielle Rowe funeral. The family upset how the government wanted to take over the funeral.
Come, family, look, come. Everybody come, family, come. Family, come. Because if we don't come today, no, chat to me for today. We are telling that. When you come, let's go. Family, come. Family, come. Come, Tali. Look here. Listen to me. Listen to me. And listen to me well. Listen to me and listen to me well. Where's the Bora? Come, Joe. Who want to end with our war? Who want to end? Give me my knees. Look at my knees. Yes. Look here. Tell them to want to end. Make sure come very now. Because of politics. Unless you're part of the politics. There's a politics. They cut out the family them. Nobody can say nothing. Minister this and minister that. Go get your pitney. You idiot. And the chief them cut out. Take out my name and fight. Take out my name and fight. From day one, I was supposed to open part of man of God. Man of God, you're a man of God. You're not supposed to be in a police station. You need to go serve God and leave me alone right now. They take me off of the program.
Yeah, what happened?
Why they take me off? Because the BSM is a woman apostle. The BSM is a woman apostle. So they take me off of the program. Them all tired of take me off of the program and put some people where we know.
Family upset how the government take over Danielle Rowe funeral.
Her family member don't even pray. Her family member hasn't even prayed yet. Huh? Nobody feels stranger in front of us. God, man.
Fear stranger and politician name the program and them have all the same. It's about the little baby. Them not talking about the baby. Nothing about it. Nothing about it. I'm telling you, favor. What about Danielle? Favor. She never said the school go on camera in there. She never said that.
They're not doing nothing.
Come on, they're not doing anything
for the baby.
Well, Holy Ghost filled. You want to come tell me this? But them no want no tongues speak in the church. Holy Ghost filled people in the church. You come tell them, not speak tongues. You rule that God I will 7 days, 1 day Christian. Wanna go away? Hey, stop coming here. All right, Apostle. Stop coming here. Apostle. I want to know. I'm here with you. Hey, ministers. Let me go to man. Where they? Let me go to man. Me not drop down, man. Where are the ministers? All about politicians. We don't want politicians. Our politics this. Where's the action? Our politics this. Where's the action? Nobody call family. We don't hear no family. Minister this, minister that. We don't go on with that. Go on with that. It's about us to feel it. And we feel it. And we know it. We don't can't be a minister. Minister this and minister that. Go on with that. I want to tell this thing for fool. We're not relent. We're going to get answers. Hey, I mean what the promise I know is I have my money.
Politics, they don't have to be mentioned in this.
Yeah, they want to know. Who want to know so I have my money? We have my money. We have pound. Go check me out. I will not relent.
These that are free in God.
Oh, the other. We are family. We show this as family. Remember not talk about family. Who the hell do you think it is? 7 days of faith, but you don't want nobody speak tongues. Who do do? It's about speaking tongues. Who don't speak tongues so we can't speak tongues? What if you come here to be sick? Well, I tell you, say, Barbara, Sunday, Barbara! You never see Paul in the Bible. You never see David, you don't know Bible. You come talk about apostle, who don't know Bible. You never see David in the Bible. You never see Paul in the Bible. You never see them man that draw their soul and chop off head. How you come to believe by example? Me a God apostle. A fake church that. Pull this. Lose me. Lose me. Hey, Chana. Man, tell them to take her out and come bury her now. Tell them to take her out and bury her now. Lose me. You so gonna ignore it. Like when I got boy, when I got, when you so gonna ignore family. I don't come talk about minister this, minister that. Let's wait outside. Let them finish what they're doing inside. Yes, and we'll just take her to the burial. That's what we're gonna do. We just put her to the burial. You're right. Come here. You can end the service. No one can die. But never tell me if you shut up and I didn't believe it. Not you alone. Mom. Listen to me. Listen to me. You want the baby? You want the baby? Mom, baby, drink some. Give her the water. You want the baby? You want the baby? Come on. You want the baby? Let's go. You want the baby? All right, let's get the phone. You want the baby? Mom, where's something? Come here. Let me foot tie. Baby. Politics this. Politics this. Hey, don't talk to me, sister. Go away. Baby in peace. Let you go down in peace. No politics. She's not going to do politics. We don't want him speaking. Just we don't want him speak. Let's go. We don't want him speak. All right. All right.
Now, of course, with Danielle Rowe's father being a member of law enforcement, and with this being a situation that caused worldwide outrage, with both the Prime Minister and the opposition leader speaking out against the crime, the state stepped in, as it usually does in many of these heavily publicized cases. L.A. Lewis was also famously removed from the front row of the Kemisha Wright and her children's funeral, and with her mother later on going on to partner with LA and his Maroon campaign. Now for the family are grieved. In situations like this, when the state step in, of course the media step in. Truth be told though, maybe even without the state stepping in, there would be media coverage. But of course with the state stepping in, you have radio coverage, news coverage, and the situation more becomes an event. And with different people from state there, photo ops, everybody I take picture of it becomes a different type of situation. And maybe that wasn't what the family wanted. But talk to me in the comment section. Do you now think the state took it a bit too far, and that the state should just respect the wishes of the family? But the state they choose to say, right, them are going to assist them. Them should make that assistance be on the basis of what the family want. And if the family did say them don't want no press there, then the family could choose to have that. And if I even a simple request like that, if that request was made by the family, we don't know if that request was made. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Be new to the channel as I pass through. We'll click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them and then brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, I want to prosper. Now, a quick recap. The family of Danielle Rowe is upset at the way the state intervention in the funeral itself took place. As I say, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.